our hut is somewhat complete. We can't do no more than this. So anybody want to donate some ply for the cause, I would accept that, because when see the rain black up for come, yeah, so we have to have at least something to go under. But right now we're going to be planting some carrots. I hope it's a good time. But the carrots that we are planting, yeah, we're running with like a boat, you know, and thing, fireside and thing, you know. Don't watch the place dirty, but yeah. So we planted some for this one, Golden Prince. If somebody want to donate some seeds to me, I'd accept it. The government say eat where you grow where you eat, but you know, not really have it. Yeah, so I think set. Yeah, come on, of course we have a Cal's bag juice from base. Yeah, big up Cal's. I'll buy and buy them. So Cal's, I mean, they can donate some bag juice to the cause, Yeah, this is some Cal's bag juice, we have here a drink and thing, but and that is some national bread from the place, National, they can donate 2 bread to the cause, I really appreciate that, Yeah, man. But it's a good look. It's a good look. I want to say thank you to Coconut Board. Coconut Board has come on board. They have given me some coconuts here. I got 48 coconuts, which I'll be planting out. And thank you, Coconut Board. I really do appreciate it. Big up, big up, big up, Coconut Board.